In you is already invested everything for you to refuse a better life. The school made sure that you are obedient like everyone else. You have no idea how to make solid money. And everyone fills your mind so that you don't stand out. That is, don't take another path. The crab mentality. You and your environment, like a bowl of crabs, cannot allow each other to leave that bowl. All these make you a mediocre meal and determine your destiny, from which not everyone manages to escape. And today, on the Shadow Trophy channel, we will talk about 5 steps you need to take to reach that 1% of society. To dedicate yourself to a comfortable and expensive life, to live in abundance, and to have a rich inner world. The money game. In this sketch, it can be seen that all the money is concentrated at the top of the pyramid. On planet Earth, 10% of people own 90% of the money, and the other 90% of people own the remaining 10% of the money. I think it's no secret to you won't become rich if you work at a factory or at a job where you exchange your hours of life and receive pennies on the bonus system. That's why you need to do something of your own, something you enjoy. And maybe this is the best choice of your life. Your own business. That's what will bring you real money and a comfortable life. And the earlier you start, the better. Especially if you live with your parents and have food and a place to sleep. You should always choose to earn your money from your own business or project, even if you will make much less than going to someone to work by the hour. Because with your work, you will gain a lot of experience and also practice. Your brain has to function completely differently from this mediocre mass, for whom every day starts with the work alarm. You have to offer a certain value. Create something incomprehensible and innovative, or simply go the path of traders and resell something. Or maybe you are skilled in a certain field and delegate everything to other people. Value and nonconformist thinking are your best friends. Replace the content on your phone. I'm sure that before or after this video, you will have time to watch a lot of short videos. Bro, why waste your time with all this? I'm sure you've already seen hundreds of similar development videos, but it would be better to watch one and start taking action. Forget about weekends. Weekends are the time when, instead of learning or working, you can dedicate time to your business, instead of going somewhere to have fun until late at night. Of course, rest is needed, but be honest with yourself. Do you work as much as you rest? And why do I insist so much on this? Because your business is the path to money. And consequently, with money, you are your boss. No job, schedule, commitment, nothing like that. You can go somewhere, even if tomorrow is a working day for everyone else. It's just a free and comfortable way of life, do you understand? Therefore, the best thing you can do to reach the 1% is to learn as much as possible about earnings. Do your work. Constantly learn about your field and invest in new knowledge about yourself and your field. You have to have it ingrained in your mind that you have no other option. I cannot imagine how you can live a completely gray and mediocre life. And at the same time, it teaches you to be content with little. All this is not for you. Every day you have to become a little better. You have to get out of this difficult situation. And it may take years. You need to get out of this difficult situation. Immediately or somehow instantly, you will not be able to get out of the crowd. But you can change your thinking and mentality. Properly directed time towards the right things will get you out of the crowd. Give enough time to your business and study the earnings. Don't forget about the inner aspect, but it is much easier to understand this than with money. Take advantage of opportunities and study specific directions, but not everything at once. Improve yourself by at least 1% each day, and after some time you will already be among the top 1% of humanity. In conclusion, what will make you part of that 1% is money. Nothing else but serious money, which only your own business will bring you. My name is Shadow Trophy, and wait for next Sunday when a similar video will be released.